Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency branded after a viral dog meme from years ago, has a market cap of about $86 billion following a 6-month climb of nearly 25,000%. Kronos Advanced Technologies is the first publicly traded company to accept Dogecoin as payment for its products. In support of the Doge community, Kronos is producing the AirDoge Purifier. The AirDoge is a limited edition purification product, and only 1,000 units will ever be produced. Kronos will send the first AirDoge 5 numbered air purifiers to the top Dogecoin supporters like Elon Musk and Snoop Dogg, or shall we say Snoop Doge, and a few other supporters as a thank you for supporting the Doge army. We invite the Dogecoin community to name 3 additional supporters so we can send them those numbered air purifiers. The units are currently in production and are expected to be sent out in the late summer of 2021.